And now we're going to talk about types of woods. There's a lot of debates about woods and what's good and what's not good. See, wood varies on region to region or taste to taste. See, sometimes it comes up to what you're going to cook that day and how's it going to taste and everything. Me, myself, I'm a big fan of oak. And I'm also a big fan of mesquite. But see, my daddy being from Louisiana, hey, we just mix them together because everything is like a big old gumbo when you're cooking Louisiana style. So, but there's also type of cherry and other fruit woods, apple, pecan, and all type of fruits that you can use and everything. But oak is probably the number one through most of the regions. Now in this western region, mesquite is huge. It's huge because of the big Latino Mexican influence in Mexican America who's coming over here. They're bringing, this is one of my favorite cheat woods right here, the Mexican mesquite charcoal. You can get a lot of work done with this right here. What you can do right here is it's a mesquite plus a charcoal. So what it does is it burns like a mesquite and has a mesquite flavor, but it also has a long longevity with the charcoal has and everything. So I use this, and then you can sneak you a little pecan wood in there, or excuse me, oak wood in there, and you all good. So it's different variations. It's all about your taste. It's what you like. Different regions like different tastes of wood. Me, I'm gonna always be an oak and a mesquite man.